श्री मनाचे श्लोक श्लोका नंबर 85 English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. भजा राम विश्राम योगेश्वरांचा जपू नेमिला नेम गौरी हराचा स्वये निववी तापसी चंद्रमौळी तुम्हा सोडवी राम हा अंतकाळी. Always worship Rama, the solace of ascetics. Let us chant the name Gauri and Hara pledged to chant forever. With that, the hot-tempered moon-bearer himself cooled down. This Rama will free you from the cycle of birth and death at the end of your journey on this earth. Some keywords used in this shloka are Vishrama means resting place, Yogeshwaranza means of great ascetics, Japu meaning repeating God's name with reverence, Nivavi means calms, Sodavi means liberate. Bhaja means to worship. In this shloka also, Samartha Ramdas Swami continues the message of focusing on Lord Rama's name. It is important to note that he is not just telling us to keep on reciting the name, but really inculcate it in our minds to find every occasion and every moment to worship Rama. Vishrama means rest and resting place. It refers to the rest that one needs after they are tired physically and or mentally. It is the rest after which the person is rejuvenated. We need to rest in order to regain the energy back. Even the great ascetics find that kind of rest which provides them the much needed energy when they worship Lord Rama. Lord Shiva is also referred here with the word Yogeshwara. Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati pledged to chant Lord Rama's name on a regular basis. Hence, let us follow the path taken by the greatest of ascetics and also by Lord Shiva to worship Lord Rama, chant his name, keep him in our minds all the time. Even whatever work we do, if we do that by keeping God in our mind, then that also falls in this category according to the concept of Nishkama Karma. It means doing our work without expecting results purely for ourselves. In this case, the results are for the benefit of others by keeping God in our minds and helping others by realizing that God is in everyone. Lord Shiva is described to be very short tempered. Whenever someone disturbs his meditation, he will get very angry. After such a phase, he calms down himself by chanting the name of God, Lord Rama. Lord Rama will save his true devotees at the end of their life by liberating them from the cycle of birth and death. भजा राम विश्राम योगेश्वरांचा जपू नेमिला नेम गौरी हराचा स्वये निववी तापसी चंद्रमौळी तुम्हा सोडवी राम हा अंतकाळी. Join me in this humble effort of spreading this amazing part of our Maharashtrian culture and literature to the English speaking community in the entire world. Be proud of our culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with our mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ,